My name is Ashish sir. And first of all, I would like to thank you to Mr. Ashish sir, as well as I would like to thank you Eddie sir for giving us the opportunity to speak among us. And beside Eddie sir's guidance, it could not be possible to speak among us. So he asked one question: why money is important in our life? So you know that having lived life, we are you all have come here. Why? For taking education? No. It is one way to earn a money. So that's why you have come here. For taking education after become successful in life, you have to earn money. That is our main aim. No one come here just just because of taking only education. So that's why money is important in our life. So what is your point of view?
Thank you, Akshay. So, first to introduce myself, my name is Siddhant Tade. I am the current student of English open classes. I am great thankful to Ashish sir for giving this platform and giving this opportunity for speaking in front of you. So, my brothers ask questions. What is why importance of money in our life? So, before I want to say some different is. So, before what is the money? So before this, so we should understand that meaning of money. Like money is not just pieces of paper. Money is a lot of money is the great thing, great thing, great thing that on that thing, like not pieces, not a paper, not money. Like in our life, every person, like I am stay here, like Ashish sir here, Eddie sir here, because it means for they are teaching for us for what, for earning something, for what, for earning money. So because of that, having living life, for a living life, the money is important. So this is my point of view. So my brothers, what can you say about it?
Yes, I'm totally absolutely with you. So friend, firstly I introduce myself. My name is Gajan Reddy, and now this time our topic is why money is important in our life. So according to friends, in our life money is the most important, because without money our life is not complete. Suppose now this time you are learn, and without money you cannot learn also, and without money you cannot go to Telha to Shega. So in our life money is the most important. Suppose you have to learn, you have to learn this well.
Afternoon to all of you. Today's I means both of you speak in front of you. So first I want introduce myself. My name is Nanshwari Kumari, and also the this is the this is question are very good, because in our important life, that's informal stage are also important, and informal stage, and that is also the skill are improve, and how can build up, and how can improve that skill in our life, and also the advantage we can improve in our life that skill with the help of our mind, and with the help of our study, and with the help of our all other knowledge about any particular things. And also we can gain a knowledge from Mahatma Gandhi. That was he can means that time means they can provide some many things in our life, and we can improve our skill from that things. So what can you say about it?
Yeah, I totally agree with you, Manishwari Didi. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is Gauri Chatare, and I am in class 12. Today, we are discussing here the topic that is Mahatma Gandhi, and also the question asked by her, that is why skill is important and how we can develop the skills. So today is the Jayanti of Mahatma Gandhi. It's 2 October today, and Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. He has done so much for our country, and I think that he was a great leader. And according to me, skill is very important having your life in every person's life. Like if we develop our skill, we can do anything in our life. If we have no skill at that time, we are unable to do anything in our life. It means nowadays skill is very important. Skill has given the importance so much. And while talking about this, how can we develop skills? So nowadays we are speaking English. So we develop this skill by doing practice and practice. Also, sir teaches a lot, and he helps us to build the confidence the important thing according to me. So if you have to develop your skill, so you should join the classes. Also, you should try to do practice more and more. So due to that, you can improve yourself. And what is
Yes, I am totally appreciate with you as telling on the Gauri. So, firstly, I want to introduce me. It's me Mansi in front of you, and today we both are discussing about the topic. You know that why the skills is important and how to develop it. And second is the Mahatma Gandhi, who was a great leader of our India. While talking about the Mahatma Gandhi, who was a great leader, means they have also skills about to do something for our country, because due to them we could hear means we could reach up to this stage, means due to them due to
सुंदर व्यक्ती असला की